Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The VDS Gadget. So, the most important in pedo or endodontics flow, the differences between the apexogenesis and apexification, right? చాలా అంటే చాలా సింప్లిఫైగా నేను డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేసి రాసాను. ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ apexogenesis and it is indicated in vital teeth and apexification in non-vital teeth. Coming to definition, in apexogenesis means formation. So it helps in the formation of the root end. Apexification, it means fixation. So it forms a calcified barrier in a root with an open apex case or in case of necrotic pulp. And coming to the third one, procedure. Apexogenesis occurs only in the coronal pulp tissue that we removed and the radicular pulp is prevented from the further damage. And in case of apexification, the entire pulp, coronal and radicular pulp will be removed. And the calcium hydroxide that is placed over the amputated root stems in case of apexogenesis. The calcium hydroxide that we placed in whole entire pulp chamber in case of apexification. And in apexogenesis, the calcium hydroxide, it forms the dentinal bridge. Here apexification, the calcium hydroxide induced the formation of the dentinal bridge. In apexogenesis, the apexity is formed by the normal growth of the roots. Means continuous root development అనేది ఉంటుంది. In case of apexification, the apex formation, it is occur due to that osteocementum or the bone-like tissue. అండ్ మీకు ఇంకా ఇలానే ఏదైనా టాపిక్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి బీడిఎస్ థియరీలో అంటే నాకు కామెంట్ చేయండి. నేను ఆ టాపిక్ గురించి మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.